It's been a busy year at the Artist Life channel. In this video I'm going to show you some of the things we got up to over the past year. And if you want to get into more painting in the new year, have a look at the Artist Life channel and see what it has to offer you. Okay, let's see some of the painting projects we got up to over the past 12 months. We started the year painting sea and waves, and then moved on to expressive olive groves in this bright and vibrant style. Then I did a little paint along where you could join me and paint with me over the session before we visited Constable Country for this beautiful scene. And then painting sand dunes and the sea in an impressionist style and exploring the everyday beauty around us. Tranquil sunsets, we've got that covered as well. And then how to add figures into your landscape. Boats and water in a vibrant impressionist style, and gouache painting as well to get this strong light effect before ending the year with a beautiful harvest scene and this stunning California coast scene. Let's have a look at a few comments that artists have made along the way, and if you want to find out more about the Artist Life channel, have a look in the link in the description or find it on my website and see how the Artist Life channel can help you in the new year. I hope to see you soon.